I want to talk about these pliers. They're actually for beading, but they are multifunctional for silversmithing as well. So I want to show you a few things they're good for. First of all, these are great for making jump rings, and you can actually make different sizes if you just want like a couple jump rings. So it's got a 2mm, I believe a 3mm, a 4, a 5, and I think an 8 and a 10. So you can actually make jump rings. So I'm gonna make a few jump rings for this pair of earrings I'm making. This is 18 gauge sterling silver wire, and I'll just show you how easy it is. First you just wrap the wire around. So if you're gonna make, 5 or 6 jump rings at once. Okay. So I'm gonna take my wire cutters and cut. Come back here. So this is what I have now. I'm gonna cut it on the block with my saw. So I got my cutting loop here. And this is a little tricky to do sometimes, but so make sure I'm in between both ends. And I line it up. I have these notches there on my block. And then you just slip it in a notch. And you just cut. Try not to let it slide. Oh, there they went. Okay. So then you gotta just throw on the saw here. And you just take them off. I think one fell on the floor. Anyway.
Here it is. Okay.
There they are. There's my 5 jump rings. They're all the same size. And now I can finish my earrings that I'm making.